What's up guys, welcome to the vlog game. Matty here as always. We just saw that I was cleaning up in my valve covers. Now we're gonna paint it. It's gonna be a very simple process. I use degrease on it, and now the prep work is the key. And we also gonna clean it up, the radiator, because it's really bad. Actually sitting here, I'll clean it up, maybe I'll power wash it, and we go from there. But first I want to give the first coat of primer so we can wait to dry. And today it's a perfect day to paint. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's just perfect. So that's what I'm gonna use. We're gonna use prime, and then we're gonna use the actual color, and then we're gonna use the clear coat. So everything heats up to 500 degrees, so we should be fine. So let's paint it. Not bad at all. So this would do. I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Nobody's gonna see it. It's just so I'm there. It's clean enough, nice and easy. So pretty much I'm waiting for the paint to dry, and I think I'm gonna also remove the sway bar.
2 hours later.
So I had to stop because I have a routine with my son and my wife. It's just like quality family time that doesn't matter what happened, I'll stop everything I'm doing and we spend time together for dinner and for giving him a bath, and then I got back to it. So by the time I got back here, it's already dark. Even though we are heading to spring, it's still dark, but I will try to show you guys as much as possible. I will start applying the color, which is the same color of the car. It's a red one. I'll do like 3 coats, 10 minutes between coats, and that's it. So while we waiting for the paint to dry, because I still need to apply the clear coat, but so far it's looking good. Well, anything was better than it was before, so I love it. I love it. Well, when you paint, I painted so many stuff, so I think I'm getting better at it, so to be honest.
Last time I ended up with this up a little bit to make sure it won't move, and probably got 3/4 of a gallon of water in it. I didn't flush out yet.
The new water pump has everything we need now. It's ready to go back in the car. So I'm just working ahead of time because I don't want to be ready to put the car back together and still have to do it. So the thermostat goes here. The only thing I didn't say here, I put some, you see there's this rubber sealant. I put some coolant around just to lubricate, and then you start tying down those 2 bolts. That's it. The covers are ready. I mean, it's just drying. It's gonna dry into tomorrow. It's not perfect, could be better, but so far it's looking good. Look at that. It's looking pretty good. So now the last thing I'm gonna do for today, I'm gonna remove the sway bar. And to remove the sway bar, there's one bolt over here and 2 over there, and it should come out. And then because the stereo rack, which it's attached to here, should come out this way, we hope, right? Let's remove the sway bar and we see what else we can do. Having a hard time because there's a torque 18 on the middle. It's actually one quarter here. You need to secure it with this. That was easy. Now I'm gonna wait one more day so Dave can come over and we're gonna start removing the rack. And then I think we have access to the cam though. I think it's only the rack and then of course the balancer, and should be it. We should have access to the cam. So we are close, and my goal is to keep as little as possible. And so when Dave is here, we can just get the cam in, the valve springs, the trunnions and everything, and just put everything back together. I hope. If not, at least the cam is gonna go in, and then I put everything together myself. But I would love to start with Dave here. So we'll see. Yeah, boys, one more for the books. I really appreciate your support. Thanks so much for watching. If you didn't watch day one, go ahead and watch. I think we are making a lot of progress, but it's still a lot of work ahead of us. But we are having so much fun. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next upload. Oh, by the way, make sure to hit that thumbs up. That helps a lot the channel. And also, if you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next upload. As always, thanks so much for watching. Never forget, enjoy life and work hard for it.